Hey, this is Sarah Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So I've got a black canvas here that I just painted black, and this is kind of a strange concept, and it did not work out how I was planning. However, I really love the end result, and I just want to show you the process of these two paintings. So that's a gold, that's a Tillier gold, I believe. I think it's a Tillier and 24 karat gold by DecoArt mixed together. And I'm using the bloom technique. That's this kind of coppery, oh, you know what that is? That is ColorArt Desert Clay, which I really love that particular pigment. Prussian blue and indigo. The Prussian blue is Amsterdam Expert, and the indigo is by Charvin. And then that's a Royal Blue Light by Charvin. And then that is a Interference Gold by Golden Fluid. And then that little bit that I just put on is a solvent paint called Pebeo Moon. And that's in their Iridescent Pearl. So, and then I'm taking a couple different cell activators here. So there's 3 layers here: the Pelo, the bloom paints, and then the cell activator. I've really transitioned over to TriArt High Viscosity paint for my cell activator. So this is TriArt High Viscosity in their titanium white, 1 part paint to 3 parts Floetrol. And then that's TriArt magenta, same mixture, 3 parts Aussie Floetrol to 1 part paint. There's a lot of different ways you can get cell activator. I mean, Aussie Floetrol is kind of expensive. It's not always the easiest to get. I have some of it, so that's what I'm using, but I'm going to put some links below too, because there are other ways to get cell activator. Amsterdam, historically, their titanium white and black oxide are fantastic cell activators mixed with Australian Floetrol or American Floetrol and a little bit of wood conditioner, like a couple drops of wood conditioner. So this is not your only option. This has, however, become my favorite option. The TriArt High Viscosity paints are just beautiful. I mean, if you look at that color of that magenta, I mean, it's a very beautiful fine art paint, and the way it reacts and the way it works as a cell activator is fantastic. So, and in case you're wondering, this is supposed to be a transparent pillow. So it's just bare 7300 untinted deep base satin enamel mixed with GAC 800 and water to consistency. So at first I had it too thick and I had to go a little bit thinner just to get it to move. And the idea was that it was going to dry. I knew it wasn't going to dry crystal clear, but I thought that I was going to get more of the black canvas kind of coming through than I did. And it dried this kind of like milky, very interesting kind of milky gray. And I think over a white canvas, it would not have looked very good. But because I had a black canvas underneath it, I actually really loved the outcome of these paintings. And I do, the Pebeo Moon dries at a different rate and a different, it's a different type of paint. It's a solvent-based paint, so it brings texture into the painting. And you always want to just kind of float it on top and not get it underneath your acrylic paints. So that's what I'm playing around with. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to do 2 paintings, so I'll show you the end results here, and then I'll do another one with the same color palette on another kind of dark painted canvas. And I do plan to resin both of these. I want to let them cure for at least another couple of weeks. I'll let all the moisture come out before I put resin on. And I'll show you those probably maybe in a different video, or I'll just post some pictures on my Instagram. All right, enjoy and have a beautiful day. Don't forget, Fluid Art Experience is, I have about 15 to 18 seats left for that event. So if you're interested, go ahead and book. And if you have any questions, reach out, let me know. Much love and more coming. I've got some kind of cool videos coming up, so stay tuned and take great care. Much love. Bye.